Go home happy with the 2017 Lincoln MKX. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, seat memory, leather seats, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.